Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So today we'll see about ultrasonic sensor, ultrasonic sensor and interfacing ultrasonic sensor with Arduino Uno. Okay, that we'll see. So before that, I will show you what is ultrasonic sensor. Right? You must know what is ultrasonic sensor. Then only you can understand what it is and all. So you can see here. Suppose if you want to interface ultrasonic sensor with any Arduino, you can type like this, like connect ultrasonic sensor to an Arduino, then you will get like this images, and you can pick any image and you can do the connection. That I'll let you know. So before that, see, this is the ultrasonic sensor. Why we use this ultrasonic sensor? It will monitor the distance. Suppose in front of this ultrasonic sensor, if any object is there, it will monitor. I'll show you in camera also. I have connected. See, this is my ultrasonic sensor. I have taken this. Okay, suppose in front of this ultrasonic sensor any object is there, it will monitor the distance, this distance. Okay. There will be two pins. One is echo and trigger. Echo, what it will do? First trigger will see. Trigger, what it will do? It will monitor the distance. Okay, it will monitor the distance and speed also. Then consider this is my hand is one object. So my hand, or what it will take that transmitting signal and it will bounce back to the echo signal. Okay, it will bounce back and it will monitor. This we can calculate. Transfer and receiving will calculate using formula, that is distance is equal to speed into time. By using that formula, we'll find out the distance between object and ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so for that purpose we use this sensor. So we can use this. See, if any blind persons are there, then there we can use it. Will monitor to that person, like whether any object is there. There we can give one buzzer also. Any object is there, that buzzer will get beep, so the blind person will understand something is there. So for that we can use other many applications are there in robotics also. You can use automatic robot there also. You can use lots of benefits are there of this ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so we'll see this how it will work. First of all, it will have 4 pins. Okay, one will be the ground, one will be the VCC. It will be the 5 volt. Okay, it needs 5 volt only, and I'll show you that also. See, if you can see, I don't know whether it is visible because letters are very small. See here, VCC is there. Then after VCC, trigger is there. Trigger means transmitter pin, and echo means receiving pins, and last is ground. This ultrasonic sensor, it needs 5 volt to work. Okay, so this is the sensor. So I have did connection like this. You can see here. See, like this connection I have done. I have connected VCC to 5 volt of this Arduino. Then this is the ground and one trigger and echo. I have taken 2 and 3 pin. You can take any pin, any digital pin you can take, because this sensor is a digital sensor. Okay, so like this connection you need to do. So after doing connection, okay, I'll show you the connection first. See, this is the sensor. Okay, so I have connected here. This is ground, one is ground and one is VCC. This white is VCC. Then here you can see here I have connected one pin, that just a second. Okay, echo pin I have connected to 2 and trigger pin I have connected to 3. Okay, like this I have done the connection. Okay, you can do like this. Then we'll move now to programming. Okay, so already I have written the program, just I will explain how it will work. So see here, as you know, first we need to declare all the pins. Okay, see, trigger pin is 2. I have connected trigger pin to second pin of Arduino, and echo pin is third pin of Arduino. Okay, so these are the variables pin I have declared. Okay, then void setup. In void setup, what will declare? Will declare whether it is input or output. See, trigger is a transmitter, so it is output, and echo is receiving. We are receiving the signal from that object, so it is a input. So we need to give this as output and this as input. Okay, and this you know why we are using this to see the output on serial monitor. Okay, then next in void loop, see, we need to declare the variables. We need to take duration and distance. It should be long because value will be anything, so you can take int also, but try to take long. Okay, then duration and distance. See here, this sensor is a digital sensor, so we have written here digital write trig pin comma high, means we are sending high signal to this trig pin. Okay, it will go okay, high pin. Then we are giving some distance, means it will go to that object, and while coming it will be low. Okay, so by doing this pin trigger and trigger pin high and low will calculate the distance. Okay, then for that we are using a formula, that is pulse in duration. Here will calculate pulse in echo pin comma high. Okay, then distance duration divided by 2 divided by 29.1. so here we are printing the distance. This formula you need to use to calculate the distance. Then you need to print, you know how to print that. For that we need to use serial.print. Okay, then okay, here you can give units, centimeter or meter. Then delay, means after 1 second it will continue. Okay, then next you need to go in tools, select board. Which board we are using? We are using Arduino board. Then okay, port we need to select this COM3. It is already selected. Then what we need to do? Verify first. Okay, it will take some time to verify. So after verifying, then we need to, what we need to upload. Okay, so we are uploading now. It will upload. Okay, I'll open this. Okay, see, it is uploaded now. Okay, now I will open serial monitor. Here we'll see the output. See, it is showing 17 centimeter because here there is one book. So what I will do, I will take this like this, will monitor. Okay, so I'm keeping my hand here. So you can see here it is 7 centimeter is showing. Okay, I will increase, it is 10. Okay, just a second, I'll take sensor here. Okay, 11, see, 12 centimeter, 16, 18. Suppose if it is not monitoring properly, then you need to fix the position. Okay, 32 centimeter, 18. See, it is constant now, 18. So like this you can monitor the distance, and you can find out the distance of object. Already I told you the applications where we can use this in robotics. For blind people also we can use this. Okay, so I hope you got all the things regarding this project. Okay, so this is the output. You can check once again. See, it is 8 centimeter, and you can take scale and you can monitor also like this. Okay, it is 8 only. Okay, so I hope you got all the things. If you have any queries or question, please comment it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much everyone. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next session.